If I were the very things that I craved and loved, I'd search for the heavens below and above. I'd listen to the winds carry. I'd listen to the winds talk. And if it ever truly got bad, I'd watch the winds walk. When you see the wind walking, that's known as a tornado. Cultivating and creating. Life is yours for the taking, but this does not mean that you take another's life, for in the end it will only cause you strife. When the ancestors want to speak, it's you that they seek. So use the powers and the gifts that they gave you to teach and to reach. Do you notice the sway? They've come out to play. Listen with your heart and you'll eventually hear what they have to say. It is not mine, it is not yours, it is ours. Some believe in sharing, while others only devour. True power in its essence is divine guidance and blessings to build a community with love. All of the voids yearning to be filled, deep within valleys and high upon hills. Seeking ourselves, understanding is the thrill. Breaking the boundaries of what's false and what's real. Even the birds and the bees begin to sing. Does it hurt because they protect and you take it as a sting? The branches reach high to the sky like veins. To know yourself truly is to know your name. Healing is required. Healing is desired. When our brains can no longer understand the concept, then they must be rewired. Let go to grow. Let go to soar. What you're craving one day will soon be yours. No man can take, no man can break, no man can shake what they did not create. Know who you are. The time is now. Because in the end, we prepare to take our final bow. It speaks high, never low, gives you the directions of which way to go. She's soaring over and under the hill. This is the thing that lets you know that you're real. Nature, be in tune, not immune. You are the rarest flower, and it is time for us all to bloom. Energy is the constant thing that we all consume.